Welcome everyone to our Pearl Aqua product release launch. I am Attila Kecsmár, co-founder and CEO of Antavo. Today, I will be your guide as we explore our product's latest features. We have been focused on helping your team free up time and creativity. After all, loyalty program managers and integrators need to have the best tools in order to work efficiently. So today, we will talk about the major improvements in our Pearl Aqua product release, which we worked over the past quarter. First, tools that help loyalty program managers work more efficiently. Second, capabilities that support system integrators. Third, improvements to our UX and UI. I always say that there is a beauty in simplicity, but only if it doesn't come at the cost of effectiveness. Luckily, you can have both without technology. SJ Bavis, our Senior Customer Success Manager, will tell you all about the new features that we prepared with marketers in mind.
Hi Attila, that's right. We've prepared many new exciting additions for platform users, including a cashback value converter. Our technology is not for handling payouts, but for handling the loyalty logic itself. We help you by automatically calculating the points members want to use as cash. Why is this important? Because now you can easily monitor your cashback processes and create a more precise cashback campaigns. Next on the list is a coalition and partnership feature. If your program uses multiple point accounts, this feature allows your customers to decide which type of points they would like to spend. For example, imagine that John Smith has 300 airline points, 500 hotel points, and 200 car rental points in a frequent flyer loyalty program. Antavo allows them to decide to redeem all their airline points, then use 200 hotel and 100 car rental points for a reward that costs 600 points. In the spirit of boosting efficiency for program managers, we've also tweaked how offers can be scheduled regularly using date pickers. So from now on, you can set offers such as get 3 spicy wings for the price of 2 to repeat weekly, monthly, or annually with much fewer clicks. That's a wrap. Back to you, Attila.
Thank you, SJ. The way I see it, managing campaigns just got so much more efficient. But marketers and loyalty program managers aren't the only ones using our platform. Victor Fasi, our head of product, will tell us about our latest features for system integrators.
First of all, we have improved the filtering for our workflows. Now it takes significantly less time to execute campaigns. With this pre-filtering capability, a campaign that would usually require 20 hours to filter the entire customer base can be reduced to just 30 minutes according to all case studies. We hope this encourages you to experiment and integrate more complex and sophisticated reward campaigns. Secondly, we have introduced external IDs to our platform. We know how important this is for the maturity of your most important core system. A lot of third-party platforms like CDPs rely on external IDs to exchange data. So this feature will help your business build more flexible integrations. Thirdly, we have developed a dedicated tiers API. Thanks to that, all tier-related information set in the platform, such as tier structures, can be displayed on the loyalty program interface. In other words, tier milestone information is no longer burned into the front end. Instead, it can be dynamically changed anytime with minimal effort.
Thank you. Many of these features reduce hours of work into just a few minutes. Now, for the topic that's really close to my heart, UX and UI. Let's turn to Giulia Filoso, our head of customer experience, who will show you an enhanced look and feel of our platform. Since we are a remote company, I need to be loud. Are you ready, Giulia?
Hearing you loud and clear, Attila. We have improved the user interface to offer a better visual experience, which is much smoother. And navigation can also be personalized. The layout of the interface has been overhauled to support usability without moving any key functions or requiring retraining. Certain menus and submenus have been redesigned too. Now they offer more information on best practices as well as a cleaner interface when opened. Next, we have my favorite feature. I think both newcomers and seasoned users will find it useful. It's a tutorial functionality that introduces users to key modules. The tutorials help onboard new users and are also great for refamiliarizing yourself with features you haven't used for a while. To help users out even more, we have also made the context-sensitive help button more visible. This button directs users to relevant instructions in the user manual. Last but not least, we wanted to help avid users of our workflow editor. From now on, nodes within the editor display the data they receive from previous nodes. This helps users during configuration, as they can review what kind of information they are working with at each stage of a rule or reward campaign. Also, the ability to copy-paste nodes in the editor can save hours of work when creating or adjusting workflows.
Thank you, Julia, and thank you everyone for introducing these awesome new features. And that's all for today. For the full description of the Pearl Aqua product release, download the PDF document from our website. Antavo is the enterprise loyalty cloud to power the most innovative loyalty programs, and that technology has been highlighted by Gartner and Forrester. Thank you for checking out our video, and we will see you at the next product release.